Hello, have a good day. I'm Marilois Salaya Estares, a Filipina, 47 years old, and I'm working right now at Bahrain, at the Middle East. And I already 13 years here working at the present. And I am also former working in Kuwait 5 years as a cut-in tailor, and also in Qatar 2 years as on the same field as a master cut-in tailor also. And I studied at Manila, Quezon City as master cut-in sewer, and I also studied as teaching, and I able to teach as a religious teacher in my place in the middle of the Philippines, Visayas region. And I also a lot of experience as cut-in tailor in the Philippines before I'm going to Kuwait, Qatar, and Bahrain. And I also experienced inside the convent when I studied there. I also able to know how to take care of the gardening, like plants, flowers, and vegetables. And also because we have a land and Tagaytay, so we able to take care their all their vegetables and flowers, and also they have many pets like dogs, ducks, chicken, and birds. So we are taking care of it also, and I learned a lot of things, especially also in the kitchen, like cooking and baking. And I know some of the Italian bread or menus because we have some Italians companions that teach us inside the convent. So I able also to know my abilities and talents that God has given me, like music. So I learned music like playing guitar, piano, and flute, and we are singing a lot inside. And even now I'm applying this as a choir member and service of our Catholic Church. So I will show you some of our plans, because since we don't have a place in Bahrain or our own land, so we are trying to take care of the plants inside the house, like ornaments. And I have some vegetables outside of my windows since we don't have land our own. So this is the little plants that we are take care of inside our house, since we don't have garden in land here. And this is example also of my baking, because I love also baking. So I love to bake different cakes that I learned in my country. And I want to show you also some of my works as a tailor. And I will show you in the one I'm making right now. And some of my dress that I'm the one who cutted it and tailored it. Like casual, these pants, these blouses, this gown, for night dress, for party dress. So I am really the one cut and tailor this one, and this dress, and these gowns, and this work, and this casual dress, and this the example of my work for the wedding. So this is the wedding bill that I'm making right now for my one of my closest friend in the church. So this is the sample of my work of my own. And I have a lot of experience also, like I also experience teaching. So I teach inside our place in our province. So I teach their religiosity, 2 section in high school and 6 section and elementary during that my early age. So what are my achievements? My achievements are the one of my achievements is my children. I able to give them alone their daily living, even though I am a single mom. So I be able to reach them and give them the house and lot in my place in the Philippines. And what are more my experience? I'm also the worker, former networker. So I am the member of the Alliance in Motion Global, and nowadays we are already the group of companies, and this is the sample of our products, and especially we have many supplements. So I have some many presentations and explanation about the products, especially the supplements inside my YouTube. And I have a lot of a presentation of also of how to do this networker of our company, and how to earn, and how to teach, and how to close deal of the people you are talking about. These are my all experience and my works and my achievements, and hopefully this is very useful for my application and NC and for my dreamland. And have a good day, and God bless you all. Thank you.